taking a new style Cherokee that won't start. This one came in on the tow truck. Factory didn't drill that hole. Pretty easy fix.